sessions. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl. Lifestyle vlogs butter.
Guys, welcome to a new vlog, and I am excited. Like, look on it. Look Palm Falls. Look Palm Falls. Look Palm Falls. Look Palm Falls. Look there. The palm tree. Palm tree. Yeah. So just coming from DMV, and I'll hit you up soon. Yeah. Last week, a different thing this week. I just want to welcome you to a new vlog. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification and tell a friend to tell another friend, and stay tuned. And yeah, big up on yourself. Alright, talk up to me nice. Me finally. This is my temporary license. Can't share because so much information upon it. But yeah, girl pass. And this time around, I went on the road. Because the last week, I only stayed in the vicinity and in the camera around or whatever. So I guess because of that, I was not so alert, because me know say I never like the road me depend, and then the second stop sign me just cruise go through it. Them call it California cruise. And yes, the ID, the driver's license is the real ID, them call it. So that one have the star and you can use it to fly, but the other one you can't use it to fly, but I still driver's license. So that's what I was talking about last week when I said that I never have all of my proof of address, and I was able to do the other one without the second proof of address. But I want to go all out. Yes, I want to do one that I can fly with. I want to go all out. So I dig up my phone and I found a bill, and now here I am today. PAASED. Today's Saturday. Release the vlog. So when I have any intentions of me feel it. So next week, when I say girl, no dumb. Yeah, girl, no dumb. Same lady me get, and the lady was like, oh, we're not gonna even do the pre-things like the light and blah blah blah, because the thing is them check the light, and she said she knows, so me already know that. So, and I guess that's why she bring me on the road. And she said I made one mistake. That's why I know she could have passed me last week, you know. I made a mistake when I turned over to the right. I went into the left lane to turn, and then blah 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 blah. But she said, never mind, you pass because you can drive. Yeah, you can drive, but she's there. Should I go to a Starbucks and treat myself? What should I do? Yeah, but welcome to a new vlog. Yes, girl pass. So my driver's license will come less than 2 weeks, she said, in the mail. So thank God I have that. I secured that, and I'm going to make some call and tell people. So me pass. Not try to find the tripod in the car, but we can't find it. But I feel like I go back over Starbucks, see my pumpkin spice. And that we do last vlog, you know, go over say wrong thing and if you edit out. But let's see what kind of trend upon TikTok and try it again. Yeah. And then we go carry the car, go get the detail clean, because we never did that the last time, and get something to eat. And then we need to care about the car because she finished work at 3. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. So we're gonna go over there. So what's trending, and try it. Tell my mother say, yeah man, I just because you took up a dirty style from Jamaica, I drive and this and whatever make you feel it the first time. Yeah man, it humble you, don't. Yeah, anyway, I'm just happy, but just glad something I have to go through this again. And I don't know if I said it before, but I paid $30 for anything.
I don't care about the scene, I don't care about the location. All that matters not to me, that you wherever I go, baby.
Got the it's like a viral thing. I see this guy. I'm gonna show you.
When I say this, hey, glory to God, hallelujah.
But yeah, that's the viral thing. It's basically you have oat milk, 2 vanilla syrup, 2 pump of vanilla syrup, 1 pump of sugar, and then you have chai and all those stuff. Yeah, this is my order, and I'm gonna taste it because apparently it made the man speak in tongues. We know I'm not gonna speak in tongues, but you can see this different colors and so forth, and it also topped with nutmeg or spices or whatever. No. This better than the pumpkin spice. No sir. No man. No. Me not like Starbucks, but this make me feel like Starbucks. No. Why it tastes so good? No, me not lie. Me not exaggerate. Like why it tastes so good? Why it tastes so good? No man. Guys, I go put the ingredients, like the order, down in the description or in the comments. Me don't know why this tastes so good. No cap. Too damn good. Too good, man. They must spell my name wrong. Everybody always spell my name wrong. Vanessa, it's Vanessa. Why this tastes so good? Why it tastes so good? Tell me why it tastes so good. No. This me want to cry. It tastes too good. No, me not exaggerate like this. It's like all last week me say, alright, the pumpkin spice, alright. This make me want to go in and go buy one next one. But me and milk. No wonder why the man speaking of tongues. Me not have no regrets. Honestly, it tastes really good. If you don't like coffee, you don't have the taste of coffee. Like this. Next best thing. Not, no, I'm gonna dream about it. No, I wish me never tried. I honestly wish me never tried. You know why? Because now, I go, No, man. It nice, bad. Anyway, I go, carry the car wash because she come off of work 3 o'clock and I need to get everything done before that. So, yeah, but, oh my God. I want to cry. It tastes so good. You know, like when they do carrot juice on a Sunday, it tastes better than that. No cap. Oh man, who invent this? Who invent this? No man, I'm gonna make this myself. No man. You know what? Later. So them basically just rub it down and then I go over to the detail place and then let them detail it because we're not waiting. Just sit by lady vacuum my car stuff. We're not used to them something then. Down there at Jamaica, we make them do it and that may I do. Yeah. Can't manage that. Alright, so them have the car and then I go him start doing everything if you do. I'm in here, I like how it has a smell. Because the car wash right this side, it's kind of noisy, so I'm not even gonna continue. So hopefully him hurry up before time. But guys, I'm not like this. No cap. The man never did not lie. The man did not lie. So based on my observation. Jamaica, big up yourself in a cleaning car. Big up your clean self. I never because I'm basic, but can't say vacuum, right? But like detail, no, it's not there yet. Like look on the mat. Look, why is that like that? Listen, if it was Jamaica, I'll even spend $1,000 for wash car, $1,000 for wash car at Jamaica, and everything clean at Jamaica. Even though sometimes I always find some small fault, but that is me still because I have detailed eyes. But me can't tell you 101 fault in this thing. Like really? Why you never wash your mat, sir? Why you never hammer all the things, sir? Am I supposed to pay for that differently? And I spend not $40? Like what? Anyway, It's cleaner than how it was. But when me buy my car, I shall be washing it myself. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back now. And yeah, so thank you for coming on this journey with me, and I'm so happy. I booked a contour session on Tuesday. I booked it for 10, but then the lady called and said that they're all booked out for 10. So it's either Monday at 10 or Tuesday at 4 or 5 o'clock. So I said Tuesday because I'm off Tuesday, obviously. So I'm gonna, yeah, I have some planning on Tuesday. I don't know if I can bring you guys, but I'll try. Just like how I did the massage, I'll try. Whenever I'm leaving, I'm going to be all dolled up, guys. Dolled up. I'm doing my nails, I'm doing my hair, I'm doing my foot, doing a pedi and manicure, yeah, doing lashes. I'm going to be all, I'm going all out there. I'm going all out there, okay? I just ordered Chick-fil-A because I will eat anything from morning. We take out the chicken and I'm going to curry that, I think. I may not do rice. I may just do some curry pasta something. Like regular pasta something that I may do. So, but I'm not ready to do that right now. So, I ordered food because I'm hungry right now. And the coffee, the chai latte thing that is still on my, like, no, I am so obsessed with Starbucks. I was never that girl to be like Starbucks. No, that drink, I'm obsessed. Yeah, so guys, go and check it out. Just know so Vanessa tell you, it's not me invented it, but I taste it and it tastes good. You know when you do like the carrot drinks on a Sunday morning? Yeah. Carrot drinks on a Christmas, and you know you put extra love in it? Yeah, I say it tastes. So yeah, putting you on to this. So ask for it. I make sure say ask for the venti because it's bigger. If you're gonna do small, I guess you'd have to do half the amount. But not like chef kiss, really good. So I think that's it for the day. I'm gonna cook. You guys don't need to see me cooking, and just like a relax for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is work. So it's officially been like 2 weeks. I decided that I'm not gonna do nothing. I'm just focusing on myself. And I kid you not, this thing been on the shelf for over a week. No, tell me no. These people want somebody to pick up behind them. And we're not doing it. That's why I cannot wait to leave. Like, I just can't wait to leave so that this can be the shit house it's supposed to be. Because I told me I made more of the day I have to do stuff too. But I'm gonna show you, right? I'm gonna show you. Like this. Look, Gingy Fly start take it. Ready? This is how the place look. That plate been there for days, right? This stove like this, right? And there was a pot on here, and because they wanted to use them wash it out, it was growing what do you call it, moss or whatever they want to call it. Like, listen, tomorrow I'm day off and I wanted to cook, but I don't know. But can't manage this. Like, these people, like tomorrow if we decide to cook, everything they're already right. So even the tray and the pan, man, that shit, even the plate, they made that shit in the bin. Like, me honestly, because me tell them already, like, if me see it, put them down there, that means they're garbage. You understand? And me gonna dash them in the bin. I'm in a business, I ask question because I don't care. Because, like, really? Anyway, I bought the Uber, waiting on the Uber. And seriously, I'm in this filthy kitchen. Depending upon how long I'm gonna be here for, I'm not gonna clean the bathroom, honestly. Like, but so this is what happens when you live with people. You come from different nations, even people from your own nations and all that. Like, this is people, we live with lazy people, or people we don't want to put hands together, because people been saying that, I should make a rasta. I do make a rasta. Like, look at that, self-explanatory. Pick up behind yourself. The one for the bathroom, like, there's 4 people using the bathroom. That means one person clean it per month. Nothing harder than that. Every week somebody's supposed to clean it, but no. Vanessa the maid. Anyway, I am ranting. I'm just upset and like my throat hurt me. Just take some Dayquil. Hopefully it ease whatever I'm feeling. But Jody come with this sickness and I gave everybody. But I rebuke sickness in the mighty name of Jesus. Yeah. Guys, I came in from work. I took out chicken and I want to cook because I am hungry. I'm really hungry. What I only had, I had pancake this morning. I did it myself. I went to the kitchen and I do it myself because, yeah. And for some reason, I just don't feel comfortable. It's like I want to use the kitchen, but I'm just tired for brought them bother. I'm honestly tired for brought them bother. I don't know. Anyway, this morning when I show you the thing that's on the thing, apparently one of them wanted the tray to use in the oven. So they throw away the bread and the box or whatever and use the tray. So that is gone, but the flies, that the little gift sour fly them, is still there. And if me go in there, me know me go clean because me cannot clean cook in a dirty kitchen. I cannot do it. I'm just down here, me panda, if you feel the Uber Eats, like honestly, can't bother the stress. And then not only that, now I want to do the 1-pot curry chicken where everybody I do with the rice and the dumpling and the yam, but not really. We don't want to really do rice. We want to do yam and dumpling, but me not a yam and can't bother go book Uber and then not find the yam because them something that really sell up here that much. But I'm gonna have to go all the way Wegmas, and then I always do that. Some might waste money and go and then end up have to spend more money on things I really need, especially if me soon leave. Like I don't want to spend no money on that, so I probably have to just leave that to our next day and just do curry chicken and rice. I have rice and stew peas, but I'm just tired of that right now. Like me just want something else. I'm tired of the same food. Can me just want my own space now? Like if we have my own space, we could have just the things, like everything would have been in a place, everything would have I can't, but yes, but this is some of the stress that I endure on the program, guys. So just make sure you're not strong for this because boy, yeah. But if we go to the kitchen, I'm gonna clean up still because we cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. Some people can, but I can't. I cannot. I was gonna go do a body sculpt thing and I changed my mind, and this is the reason why. So I booked the appointment Saturday, right? When I booked it, I accidentally put that same day. If I was gonna go, I should just use the car at the same time and go. But I gave back the car and then came back home and I was like, book Uber again, pick up on the road and all them something there. So I booked another one for Tuesday, which is tomorrow. When I booked it for 7 o'clock because normally I like to just get things out of the way. Them call me and I say, alright, them seems like them ahead of them game, like they're real professional, right? Then call me and them say, I see where you have 2 bookings. Which one do you want to choose? So I was like, Tuesday. She said, okay, she put me down for Tuesday. Then now, in the evening, I got another call from them again, saying that 10 o'clock is out if I am willing to do Monday 10 or the same Tuesday 4 in the evening. So I said, you know what, 4 in the evening is fine. It's the same day, Monday off, whatever is fine. I can cook and do something else. So she said, okay, she put me down. The next day, which is the Sunday, I kid you not, about 5 different number called my phone to confirm the booking. I said, no man, this looks sticky. This looks shady, man. Why them a call me every minute? If the first person called, then they would have tick off and say, alright, she confirm, right? But then for that person to call for confirm again, So I was like, it changed my mind, but it was still open, like the spot was still there. And then yesterday, the same Saturday, the same Sunday, the evening, when I came home, the lady called again, telling me, oh, no, she not called, she texted me this time, saying that this Tuesday 10 is booked out, and if I can come in the 27th. I was like, you know what, cancel it and block the number. Because even though it was a deal, I don't know if because it was a deal, they choose the person who's paying full price over those that's paying the deal. Like, that is so unprofessional. So I said, no man, that looks shaky. Let's cancel it. So that was my plan is for tomorrow. But no, I don't have any plan. And I feel like I'm just gonna stay in because I want to save some money. My bank account will go up, yeah. I just want it to continuously go up. Guys, you see me talk about the people them? They're so unprofessional. I must just get an email talking about Tuesday to come in. And them call me yesterday and tell me say the slot full enough. Them call me yesterday and said them I push it and I tell them to cancel. Yeah, guy, we got it, yeah, man. No, me say my son come back, but you know, so God have a way to cheer you up. God have a way to cheer you up. And it's not like I'm sad or depressed or anything. It's just that, you know when you feel the feeling there. Little sense of depression, but not really depression. Like, as I go through someone on Instagram, like a guy that messaged me, inbox. And it's so weird, but the guy liked me, you understand? And I was there like considering, like, what if it is my person? And we kind of know say I'm my person, but when you try to justify your thoughts, and then me didn't know, I got through the Instagram and I said, alright, let me see how we can correct him to be the person for me. Right? Now him live here and him supposed to have healthcare, dental and all those stuff. And I feel like if I'm living here and I'm working and I have insurance, certain stuff I'm going to take care of, right? It's natural teeth how it grow and everything, but I'm saying, you can do dentist, we call it braces and fix crooked teeth and so forth. And I was like literally here thinking how I can fix him to be the person for me. They start looking at him beard and me and say, yes, even though I grow to him beard, he can groom it up. And it's not supposed to be like that. So I'm not saying that no, you're not going to have somebody that sometimes they can't groom, yes, obviously. But we're not supposed to stung here, so I try to change. We're supposed to like the person at first, then groom him. You know if you understand. And I was just thinking about the guys, what am I person? Like, God, what happened? I'm ready for my person now. Well, maybe me thinks I'm ready, but we ain't sure me ready. So let me know what we need to do. Let me know when we need to stop. Even though I'm supposed to know. But I actually feel like I'm ready for my person. And it's like, I feel like I'm at a point where I'm going to take anything. And I don't want it to be like that because it's not supposed to be like that. So I was just there, like, sulking. And Letitia messaged me like, I think it was yesterday or 2 days ago. But guys, listen. Sometimes I open the message, I'm gonna play the thing or anything. Because if you even message me, sometimes I choose not to open it because I know if I open it, I'll forget. And I opened it and I was listening to it, but I was at work and I stopped listening and I forgot. Right? And today I was like, let me go back to Telegram, because we don't really use Telegram like that. And I realized that I never respond to her. And I kid you not, like, talking to her made me feel better within myself. I wouldn't even understand like the simplest of things that people do or can change your mood. And this is why I keep posting videos, because I know it's helping people. Even though I may not be talking much about HUB, I am practically showing my lifestyle so that people can see that, hey, it's not all good and dandy, it's not all bad. You understand? And the least little comments that say that, hey, you like the video, you appreciate it, it keep me going. It's like a recharge, like a fuel that you put in my body. Like whenever I see those messages or I get these comments, like I appreciate it so much, guys. Like I thank you. Yes, like too much, but I really appreciate it, and I thank you all for all your kind comments. I don't ever remember receiving that 8 comment, not once. And I guess because I'm just being real. I'm just I know I can do stuff to make the page blow up, I can do stuff to make the page blow up, but I don't want to be fake. I just being me. I am just being me. Like my mother being like, oh, you can't do this, you can't do this, you can't do this. No, I want to be me. The channel is about me. Anything we go through, that is what I'm showing you guys. And this is why I really want to get my own apartment, because I want a series where I can talk about my life, like my past life, things that I went through that many people didn't. I talk about it on TikTok, people hear about it, but I need to tell my story. You understand? I like this. No, face looks so pretty. Oh man, look nice. Yeah, but Letitia D, and I'm gonna call out your whole name. I appreciate you, and keep going. Your time will come. And for everyone that is watching, you may feel like nothing is going on, but remember, what you're not seeing in the spiritual realm is God working for you. So just keep going, do what you have to do, be positive, speak positive words over your life. If you know that you want to come off foreign, hey, just picture yourself about foreign, start packing. Use faith. The Bible says faith without work is dead. You understand? So you have the faith, but put action behind it. Say you start, you want to go to a foreign and you want to come on this HW program. Buy a suitcase if you don't have none. Buy a suitcase, put it down. And even if you're not even thinking about, if you're already on the program or you want something, say for instance you want a car, right? I remember when me not wanna carry it now, me not wanna carry it. Me not wanna carry it, but it's my fault. Alright? Cause it's either or, and I choose the better up best. I remember when 1 year I was in church, and the pastor them always, I said them I give it care, them I give it this supernaturally. And I was one of them that saying that I want me car, me type. Like me hate public transportation, me hate it without a passion, especially in Jamaica, me hate it. And they were giving out car like supernaturally, receive a car. Yeah, just get a call. So as I was saying, I remember when I was there going for the car, receiving the car, spiritually receiving the car, because I want it in the natural, so I do it, And when I wasn't, like, months passed, and me just, like, so annoyed, because I say every time them do them I give a car, and me just not get none. I know what God said to me, how can I give you a car when you don't prepare yourself? You don't have a license. Why would I give you a car? It's just like if you have a 5-year-old or a 2-year-old and they keep crying for the car key, are you going to give it to them? No. Why? Because them cannot drive. That is how God show him love. That's not him not going to give it to you like that. So at the time, I received car, I mean, and a license. Like what? Yeah, so you have to like prepare yourself for certain stuff. So if you know you want to go far and you want to fly out, buy a suitcase. If you're not on the passport, like what? If your passport so expire, like, what? Like, that don't make no sense. Prepare for where you're going. Faith without works is dead. You have the faith, but you have to put in the work too. You understand? So, not only about H2B, but life in general. If you want something, say for instance, you want a house, start buy up things for your house. You know, that is faith, putting faith at work. You understand? And then God will see you and reward you. It may look stupid to other people, but you know the God you serve, right? I heard of people wanted to buy a house and they wanted a house in a particular area. And what they did, they go and take up the dirt and start provide, and it may look shaky. But sometimes you have to be radical. You understand? You have to be radical for what you want. So this is my few words to you. If you know you want something, do something, forget it. You get me? And that may sound away. I don't mean it like that. I mean like, if you want a car, get a license. Do driver's license test. Get a license. Do practice with driving on them something. You want your house. Start buying stuff for your house. You can't buy one room set. Not I want to live at a parents' house for years and the same bed with them girl and it to have. Change out your room set and say, alright, this is where you're gonna move into your new house. You know them look at something there. So if you want a new job, you can't just don't have to apply for it, you understand? And then if you know you want a particular job, you have to prepare yourself. So if you know you need a little degree, a little this, a little that, you have to put in the work. So that is that. And yeah. Welcome to Ven Talk again. Lord Jesus, Ven Talk. Alright guys, so I finally finished my facial routine and I did all that in like 10 minutes. Like literally I just go off now. Did all of my after things. So I basically spent like 40 minutes doing my facial routine, like in depth facial routine, because I did 10 minutes steaming, 10 minutes with the mask, 10 minutes with this, and then 10 minutes doing everything else. So maybe 45 minutes, yeah, 45 minutes altogether. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna tidy up because I dismantled everything just to do this video, and I'm going to put the nail on and shower. Hopefully I should have showered all of that first, but if we didn't do it that the other day, the video ain't never get done, because after me shower and everything, I basically don't want to do anything. So I am just gonna near shower and see what happened after me. I tell you I want to take a walk. So once I'm showered and everything, I can feel more girly and go out. So that's the plan for today. Yeah, so I told you I'm not going anywhere. Saving money. The more I save, the more I stay in the house, the more money I save. Every time I go on the road, I have to pay Uber. That's already like $30 back and forth, depending on where I'm going. And then not only that, when I'm on the road, I see things, I like things, and me want to buy things. So yeah, to save $200, stay inside. Yeah, it's not like Jamaica when you know you go to a door, you spend a $5,000. Yeah, so when you go to a door, you spend a $200, and that's like $30,000 in Jamaica. And when you come back home, you say, "Did I really want this?" Maybe, yeah. And for now, like if I'm planning to move, I'm trying to limit the amount of stuff that I have right now. So everything that I have, like these stuff, I'll be throwing them away, because maybe not this, because the shirt I look good same way, but like the shirt pants that I have with fur stuff, I'm gonna throw those stuff away, and when I reach wherever I'm going, then I'm going to buy fresh stuff. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, look later. Guys, today is such a beautiful day outside. It's not even that cold. Like I could literally just come out here with no sweater on, but because I underestimate the weather, yeah. But look at my face after I do the facial. Nice, right? Yeah. So my face feel like renewed. It feels fresh. Like the breeze on my face just feels so good. Um, yeah, I went to the post box, mailbox, just to see if anything there for me, but nothing is there for me, so that's fine. But let me show you the view. Yeah, so this may just be one of the last. Like, oh wow, look. Yeah, this looks so good. Good, like I don't know if the camera doing it justice, but it looks so good. It may be the last month, like November, I don't know. So they just enjoy it while they can. Probably going to a toxic place. Probably Florida, Miami, where a lot of cars and building and so forth. Like this is just a breath of fresh air. Yeah. Guys, right now we just well I'm on faith, like literally. And everything so makes sense here. Like we so make you know what's going on. You always know. But no, pray for me. Please pray for me. I am literally holding on faith, and I know that everything that happens for a reason, and what should be will be. And yeah, me not worry. But you know, when you have a little me only human kind of behavior, yeah, we know everything will work out. Yeah, so anyway, I feel so fresh. Like I literally feel fresh and renewed. Like my whole body feel like hair can go in and out, like hair are flow in and out. Like my pores is clear, my skin is clean, no hair. Even my foot bottom, even though I never rub my foot bottom, it feels so nice. Like my whole body feels so nice. So yeah, this was well needed, and I'm glad I did it. It didn't take long, it didn't take all morning. Alright, I shy away from it because it normally takes time, especially if you don't have everything at your disposal. Right, because you know I practically live out a bag. Right, so yeah, I did it and I'm glad. I'm waiting on Tajalee to beat her face so we can go on live, TikTok live, because today is her birthday. And Goody I go do her makeup, and you all know say Goody don't care. Yeah, so I might just go on the live before her. Yeah, set the stage. Anyway, yeah. Later, like outside is so beautiful, guys. Like it feels so good. Like I wish we had this climate in Jamaica. Like it's not too cold, it's not hot, it's just perfect. And the only thing I don't like about this, if we did have it in Jamaica, is the fact that the leaves are changing and you have a whole bag of work. But me live here, that is not my business. But you know, when tired of Jamaican leaf change, we have a wake up yard. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't want. But if we have it once a year, it's fine. But I wish this season on us all year round. Like it's perfect. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna text stage and see how far she did. Hi guys, so today I decided that I'm just gonna do a change of scenery to do the V-La-Nessa content. When I talk about my process as it relates to getting the driver's license. Yeah, so if you want to see that, just go over to V-La-Nessa and watch my most recent video. So yeah, because I'm not so contented in the house. Nothing is wrong, it's just I just want to change the scenery, and then if I stay there I'm gonna be thinking about cleaning, and I don't want to do that right now. Like I want to focus on me, you understand? So yeah. By the way guys, I just created my Amazon storefront, so you guys need to go on and check it out. So everything that you have ever seen, well, I'm still uploading, but everything that you have seen me, you know, review or I've unboxed on my channel, it will be on my storefront, and it's up. The link is in the community post section, so you can go and check it out, and I will also link it with this video. So yeah, go and check it out. Anyway, I'm gonna get going as it relates to making the video for V-La-Nessa. I really wanted to get another like seating. Maybe I should go over there because I don't know if the sun is in my face and I don't want that kind of view.
My best friend has been ignoring me all day. And she won't tell me what's and now she's smiling while I'm crying. But yeah, she won't tell me what's wrong. Also, I'm pretty sure she's sick. I could have given it to her, but
Could you think?
who gave it to me? That's the real question.
Guys, my license came in and it practically took 6 days after they told me it was gonna take like 2 weeks. My license, yeah, they're legal now, so I'm just gonna open it and check it, but now make this happen on camera. You understand? I feel good today. That's why I'm doing the vlog today, and the clip before would have hear Jody ranting because I was just, you know, to myself, couldn't bother with the whole thing. So everybody keep asking me, what is wrong with you, what is wrong with you? Yeah, so I'm just a check in, let you know, say, yeah, everything good, everything copacetic. Yeah, I'm gonna go and edit because tomorrow Friday and I need to get everything finished by tomorrow. I don't think I have a lot left, but yeah. Alright guys, so today is Friday and I'm just gonna close out the vlog. I was supposed to start edit last night, but boy, I felt like shit. Still feel like shit, but feel a little better. And I just decided that I'm gonna close out the vlog and then I wanna push tonight to finish edit it and upload it so you guys can get it tomorrow. Yeah, hopefully. If I don't get it, like, I feel so hot, like I feel like I have fever, but yeah, work have to go on. This place I can't file for sick leave. When I was in Mandarin, I could file for sick leave. Like, that's the stuff that I appreciate at Mandarin, because I could take time off and get paid and all those stuff. But here, so I'm gonna get them something there. So I'm just gonna close out the vlog and I'll catch you next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Yeah, toodles.